Good morning to all of you. Today I want to discuss the current affairs on June month. See, first things first is World Competitiveness Index, which was released by Institute for Management Development. It is an independent academic institutions in which India has ranked 43 out of 63. Okay, so 43 out of 63. So as usual, Singapore secured the top positions in this. Okay, but compare, it is very different from the global competitive index. So that means, what I am telling here is, world competitive index is very completely different from global competitive index. But global competitive index is which was released by the World Economic Forum, whereas world competitive index released by Institute for Management Development. That is the difference between. Okay, so world competitive index is different, at the same time global competitive index is different. Very important. Okay, next one, next current affair, world investment report 2020, world investment report. See, this report was released by the UNCTAD, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. It is mainly focusing on the FDIs, foreign direct investments, FDIs. International level, regional level, at the same time, country level. To create or to make contribution to the development. That means to improve the contribution to the development. That is the this report. Okay, so India has ranked, improved from 12th positions last year, from last year to this year 9th positions. 9th positions. Okay, got it? So that is the last year it was a 12th position. Now today it is a 9th positions. So a little bit improved India's rank. See, India has $51 billion foreign exchanges. $51 FDIs. $51 billion foreign exchanges we have. Okay. So the top country is USA. USA has top positions as per the FDIs. Okay, so followed by China and Singapore. Okay, see here, Singapore is the best source of, the most important source of FDIs in India, followed by Maldives and by Netherlands and by USA, Japan and France. These are the most important FDIs in India. That is the World Investment Report. This was released by the UNCTAD, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. That is the data. So next we should go for next data, current affairs. That is Gairsain, GAIRSAIN, very important. Gairsain. See, recently Uttarakhand governor gave assent to make Gairsain as the summer capital of Uttarakhand. Actually, now what is the present capital? Dehradun. But recently governor of Uttarakhand gave an assent to make Gairsain as the summer capital for the Uttarakhand. See, this Gairsain is the approximately almost nearly 270 kilometers away from the existing capital Dehradun of Uttarakhand state. That is the Gairsain. So next one, lone wolf attack, very important. Lone wolf attack, it is often in news recently. Okay, So lone wolf attack, LONE WOLF, lone wolf attack. Recently, so this lone wolf attack has been carried out by an individual, an independent or an individual in London recently. What is this lone wolf attack? That is important. See, lone wolf attack is a it is a personal actually. Terrorist or criminal acts as a alone. Acts as a alone. That means stabbing. He acts like stabbing other person individually. It will occur individually. He takes individually, stabbing one person. At the same time, suicide bombing himself. So he himself blasts. So that is stabbing. At the same time, okay, and at the same time, vehicle ramming. తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతాడు అనమాట, పారిపోతాడు, వెహికల్ తీసుకొని పారిపోవటం అనమాట. ఓకే, సూసైడ్ బాంబింగ్స్, సూసైడ్ అటాక్స్. ఓకే, అండ్ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ సో గన్ షూటింగ్ ఎక్సెట్రా he will do everything against another person. That is the lone wolf attack. So that means individual person can take this acts. Here acts means he can stabbing another person. At the same time, suicide bombing. Okay, he shoot down other person. At the same time, he ran away with vehicles, etc. That is the individual person here personally will take these actions. That is the lone wolf attack. Recently, it was carried out by individual in London. Okay, that is the lone wolf attack. Next one, plasma bank. Plasma bank. Recently, so here Delhi government is Delhi is the only state in India. So implemented, launched this plasma bank. Plasma bank for treating COVID patients. So I discussed already what is the plasma therapy. Plasma therapy means what? So taking a plasma from one body, from one person who recovered from this coronavirus. So injecting same plasma into another body who suffered severely from COVID. That is the plasma therapy. Now plasma bank is there in Delhi government, in Delhi. So Delhi state only implemented this plasma bank. That is very important. Next one, next current affair, that is recently Indian Navy received so ATDS. That means so very important advanced defense system. So that is the MAREECH, 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 which was developed by DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organizations. That is the ATDS. Advanced Torpedo Decoy System. That is the ATDS. Advanced Torpedo Decoy Systems. That is the MAREECH, 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 which was developed by DRDO itself. India is itself developed this one. Defense Research and Development. It is a torpedo systems. I think we might have seen in Ghazi movies there, right? So there, where you can see this torpedo systems. Okay, so everything in that movie everything is okay, seems to be like that. So that is the very important. Recently, this Indian Navy received this MAREECH. Okay, next one is the Operation Samudra Setu. See, so this was Indian Navy recently in June month launched this Operation Samudra Setu. Under this Samudra Setu, Indian Navy sent INS Jalaswa to bring back our Indians. Okay, our Indians who struck in overseas. Especially, so somebody is struck in other countries, especially overseas, Maldives and so Mauritius, etc., right? Because of this COVID, coronavirus. That is why Indian Navy sent INS Jalaswa to bring back our Indian citizens. So from especially Mauritius and Maldives, etc. That is the Operation Samudra Setu. Okay. Next one is the Mission Sagar. Mission Sagar. See, this Indian government implemented this Mission Sagar. Under this Mission Sagar, so Indian Navy sent INS Kesari with bulk of food materials and with bulk of medicines, etc. to send other countries, especially Maldives, Mauritius, etc. We sent all these medicines and food materials, etc. to the overseas countries, especially Maldives and Mauritius. That is the Mission Sagar. Mission Sagar. Okay. Next one is the, so next current affair, current news, that is the, so India's first lichen park. India's first lichen park. So recently, Uttarakhand government, especially, so launched this lichen park, especially the Uttarakhand Forest Department, especially. Uttarakhand Forest Department developed this lichen park in Uttarakhand for the first time in India. For the first time in India. So this is under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Environment. Okay, Ministry of Environment, Forest Department. Also climate change, actually, that minister name. So implemented and launched this park. Developed this park in Uttarakhand for the first time in India. What is this lichen park? See, it is aims to preserve, that is conserve, and protect and create or cultivate the lichens in that park and create awareness among the local peoples and create awareness their importance. Here there means lichens importance, etc. See, lichens are the composite organisms. Composite means what? Composite organisms means they have unique body, total unique body, from top to bottom, unique body structure. That is the composite organisms. These composite organisms that emerge from algae systems. Okay. So, these lichens are they can grow slowly and at the same time they can grow on every atmosphere, especially on plants, on rocks. They can grow on plants and rocks. But like algae are which they can grow only in aquatic. Algae are these organisms can grow in especially aquatic or extreme moist area, extreme moist environment. That is the difference between the algae and the lichens. Okay, see, what are the uses of lichens? See, there are major uses of lichens. Especially, they have the ability to separate the minerals by erodic rocks. That means these lichens can use to separate minerals from rocks. At the same time, these lichens can use in perfumes. These lichens can use in medicines, creams, etc. And at the same time, some foods also. We are using these lichens in some foods also. Okay, so that is the major usage of these lichens. So recently Uttarakhand Forest Department So launched this park, lichen park, for the first time in India. Very, very important. Okay. Next one is the Satyabama portal. Satyabama portal. SATYA Satyabama portal. Science and Technology Yojana for Atmanirbhar Bharat in mining advancement portal. That is a Satyabama portal. You know, so what is this aims? It aims to promote research and development in mining and at the same time mineral sectors. Mining and mineral sectors. Research and development in mining and mineral sectors. Okay, see, this was developed by, implemented by the NIC, National Informatica Center. National Informatica Center. That is the Satyabama portal. Next one, Sahakar Mitra. Next current affairs in recent time, that is a Sahakar Mitra. What is this Sahakar Mitra? See, it is an internship program. What is internship program? So you know very well. Internship program is nothing but the position of students are training. They can work in many organizations without taking any money, etc., etc. But this is also internship program. Sahakar Mitra also internship program, but here paid will be there. So it is an internship program to provide paid internship to youth and ensure availability of the project loans, assured project loans to the young cooperators. See, this Sahakar Mitra is an initiative by NCDC, National Cooperative Development Corporations. That is the Sahakara Mitra. Very, very important, Sahakara Mitra. Okay, so these are the items in recent times. One more I will discuss that one. So that is Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan. Garib Kalyan Rozgar, GKRY. What is this GKRY? See, recently Prime Minister in June month, recently Prime Minister of India launched this scheme. So Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan. Okay, so especially for the migrants. So as for this GKRY, he announced as much as 50,000 crores. 50,000 crores to empower. It aims to empower and provide livelihood opportunities for migrants. You know, recently because of this coronavirus, these migrants heavily suffered from this coronavirus. That is why this was launched by Prime Minister recently in Bihar, especially in Bihar through online. Okay, so that is the Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan. So next current affair in recent time, that is a fifth state of matter. Okay, so recently NASA scientists observed this fifth state of matter in space. Fifth state of matter in space. So recently NASA scientists observed the fifth state of matter in space for the first time as part of the Bose-Einstein condensate. Bose-Einstein condensate, that is a BEC experiment about International Space Stations as part of the BEC. So it is the part of BEC, Bose-Einstein condensate experiment. What is this fifth state of matter? So this is the existence of the Bose-Einstein condensator experiment, also known as the fifth state of matter, also called as BEC. BEC. So it was predicted by the Albert Einstein, and at the same time Indian mathematician Satyendra Nath Bose. These two scientists predicted this fifth state of matter in at least 1920 centuries. In at least 1920s. That time 1920 itself is that year itself, this fifth state of matter was predicted by these two candidates, two scientists, Albert Einstein at the same time. So Indian mathematician, who is that one? So that is the Satyendra Nath Bose. These two scientists predicted this fifth state of matter. Okay, so what are the fifth state of matter before this one? That is the liquid, solid, liquids, gas and plasma. Before this fifth state of matter, we have four states are there. Four states of matter is there. That is the solids, liquids, so especially gas and plasma. Whereas the fifth state of matter is a super cooled gas. Fifth state of matter is a super cooled gas. It is a gas actually. Okay, but remember this BEC, that fifth state of matter, will help in many cases, especially search for gravitational waves and search for dark energy. Okay, at the same time, okay, so minerals, search for minerals, surface of minerals on moons and other planetary bodies. Okay, so that is the, and at the same time it can be used in it can search for, that is spacecraft navigations. It can be used for spacecraft navigation in itself, spacecraft navigation as well. So these are the current affairs on June month. So we have remaining current affairs also there. So we will discuss later on. Okay. So I will conclude this class today. Okay. See you.